Welcome back. We're joined by Kate Glazer from Hope Rises to shine a light on a program supporting over 1,000 children across Western New York. Thanks so much for coming in today, Kate. Tell us who you brought in.
I mean, if you think about it, 1,000 children, that's a lot of impact there. I'm so honored to bring on Child and Family Services. We have Haley and Mary from Child and Family Services, plus Mark from Amazon. We all know Amazon and what they do and the generosity of that. But I was actually able to go to the workshop. They call it the workshop. It was so impressive. It was amazing. So I wanted to bring them on to share more about the impact they have this holiday season.
Yes. Okay, before we jump into Child and Family Services, just explain to us what workshop you're talking about.
Yeah, so Child and Family Services, they have a workshop for their adoptive family. So It's all of the magic of that, like Santa's workshop. But it really is so amazing to see the impact, not just toys, but appliances and houseware items. I was just so impressed.
Okay. So, Mary, why don't you tell us more about the mission of Child and Family Services?
Absolutely. Child and Family Services has been around for over 150 years, and we're a human service organization with the mission of nurturing a healthy and more equitable Western New York for the benefit of current and future generations. And what that means is we've done that, and we are doing that through a vast portfolio of services. For example, we do foster care and adoption. We do domestic violence prevention through Haven House, special education through our Stanley G. Falk School, mental health counseling, and so much more. A lot of community-based programming to help the family in their home and meet them where they're at with the needs that they need, and we can wrap around services to help prevent children from going into foster care. We do so much for individuals, children, families of all ages. Basically, what you need, when you need it, we're here for you.
Let's talk about Adopt a Family and why it's so important.
Working in foster care, I definitely see the impact Adopt a Family has on our families, from just everyday needs to toys to make the kids happy. Recently, we actually had a reunification where a parent was able to have her children back, and Adopt a Family donors furnished the whole apartment, got toys and beds for the kids, and just seeing how happy they were back together.
Wow, okay. So you support hundreds of families, and it's staggering to hear and startling to hear, but you've had that lasting impact, you said, for 150 years now, right? Tell us more about what you're able to provide to these families to make sure that they're reunited, or that a child ends up where they're going to be safe and be able to thrive.
Well, this time of year is the most joyous time of year for a lot of people. But it also comes with a lot of challenges, and our family experiences that. And people are asking for winter clothing and really basic necessities, aside from toys, which we all ask for. And the impact this has, like Kate was talking about the workshop, I wish everybody had a chance to see what is a gym filled from every wall with items that the family needs. In addition to monetary donations, in addition to gift cards, a lot of these items we receive are items that are also help our families throughout the entire year, because we get families in at any point in their lives, and families who experience homelessness, families who may lose their home to a fire, families who just experience trauma, which we all do at any point in our lives. You never know when that can happen. And these items that we receive through Adopt a Family, while they help some of our families now, they help our families because we get so much. It's truly remarkable to see how generous this community is. We're able to use these donations in March or April when we get a family and they just found themselves in an unforeseen circumstance, and these items were able to help because of the just extreme generosity of our community.
Community members as well as Amazon. So Mark, tell us a little bit about why Amazon is so committed to this give back.
Yeah, absolutely. Amazon, we're proud to be back for our 4th year supporting Adopt a Family. As you heard, it's very important this time of year. I mean, it's a busy time of year for Amazon, of course, but that means we can step up and be a part of our community and help where it's most needed. We're all about delivering smiles. And if you come to the workshop and you see the dedication of Child and Family Services in this Adopt a Family program, it's incredible to see that impact. So we're proud to be back to support the program.
Is there anything that really impressed you a lot about this give back and being there during the day and seeing these families?
Yeah, so I mean, one thing, we're Amazon, we're about logistics, and it is such an impressive operation that Child and Family Services has perfected the past few years that they've been doing this. And the number of donations, as you heard, that come through, and the number of people that it helps, it's truly impressive. And the second thing is the dedication. And I've been back a few years now, and you see the same faces who come back every year to volunteer their time during a busy time of the year to help make this all happen and help out the community. So it warms my heart, and it's just a thing that Amazon likes to do and help out our community.
Alrighty, well, thank you so much for coming in and sharing more about this community give back. Viewers, if you'd like to learn more about this Adopt a Family program through Child and Family Services, just visit cfsbny.org. Thanks again for coming in, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.